What's up, guys? Today I'm going to walk you through one of my properties that has been left in the worst condition of any of my rentals, I think ever, with maybe one exception. They left their dog tied to the back porch and we found him dead a few weeks later. There were maggots in the refrigerator, bugs all over the place, ceramic tile damaged, drywall damaged, trash everywhere. I took 7 dump truck loads of trash out of this property. I decided to renovate it and turn it into a vacation rental. It's near a lake that we like to go to, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Take a look at this. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it. Any comments on what you'd like to see in the future? Love to help. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy. How my tenants left my house in Somersville. There's crap everywhere. I've given them months to clean it out. Trashed the place. So frustrating. That's nice. Bugs. God. The joys of being a landlord. This was a beautiful house. It will be again, but the cost of doing business. Kids' room. That's nice. So frustrating. All right, guys, get ready for this miracle transformation. Turned out just beautiful. This is how you turn maggots into money. So replaced all the flooring and subflooring with vinyl click. There was some ceramic tile that was busted, and their dogs had urinated and pooped all over the place, destroyed the carpet and the subfloor. We patched and repaired all the drywall, new trim. I will add that I said earlier that they left their dog chained to the back porch and died, and they did go to jail for that, which I'm happy for. There's just no sense in that. If I would have known, I would have adopted them, but I didn't know until it was too late. Granite countertops in the kitchen, new appliances, and just minimal decorations. I put the new deck on the back porch. This sits on 1 acre, so it's really private. There's a great bonfire pit out here, and it's just a great place to spend the weekend, rock climbing, going fishing, hiking, boating. There's the bonfire pit. Enjoy the rest of the video. Remember this bathroom? They even cracked the tub. So we built this beautiful shower, replaced the toilet, the vanity, the floor, replaced a lot of the drywall and patched the rest, painted it, removed that shower behind the door. Turned out great.
But possibly the ultimate test of cowboy machismo is the modern day equivalent of high news showdown. Six gun.
There you have it. Please let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And if there's anything you'd like to see in the future, leave it in the comments below. Thanks.